Okay, let us talk about comparison of fractions. Comparison of mixed fractions. So when we compare mixed fraction, let's say one fraction is 1 2 by 3 and the other is 2 3 by 4. So in this situation, which fraction is larger? Well, there is a whole number. If there is a whole number, one has 1 and the other has 2, so we don't have to do any further investigations because this fraction has a greater whole number, so this fraction is definitely larger than the other fraction. So it is very simple case. When one has a larger number and the other has a smaller whole number. The only situation where we will investigate this mixed fraction is when they both have same whole number. For example, 1 2 by 3 and 1 3 by 4. Now we can not say simply by looking at this fraction which one is larger. So in this case, how we proceed? First we have to convert both of these into improper fraction or common fraction. So how we do that? 3 multiplied by 1, multiply this, and then we add this numerator. We add this, and that will be our new numerator. So 313 plus 2 is 5. So this is 5 divided by 3. And the second is 4 multiplied by 1 is 4 and plus 3 is 7. So 7 divided by 4. Now we have two fractions. And now we have to make their denominator same, which means common denominator you can say. So how to make this denominator? Common denominator means same denominator. So how we make them? I have already explained this, that you multiply the first one with the denominator of the second and also divide it so that you are not changing the value of the fraction. Similarly, you multiply the second fraction with the denominator of the first one and you divide it with the same number so that you are not changing the value of the fraction, because you can cancel these 3 out and still the fraction is same, and you can cancel these 4 out and still the fraction will be the same. These two fractions are equivalent fractions. We can compare these two. So now what to do? Multiply the numerator together. So 20 and 12, and this will become 21 and the denominator would be 12. So now when we have two fractions with the same denominator, so which one is larger? The one with the larger numerator is larger. So once we have same denominator, then we can easily compare the fraction.